Hello, a very good morning to you. A beautiful start across the northwest. This morning's rain moved away very quickly and we've seen blue skies and lots of sunshine. But moving in from the west again across the Irish Sea now, quite a few showers feeding in across the northwest of England. One or two heavy ones. The air is still quite fresh, so as we approach this evening, potentially a bit of hail and sleet in the mix for the Lakeland Fells and the Pennines. Elsewhere, a few bright spells, but increasingly cloudy through this afternoon. And temperatures at around 7 or 8 degrees are feeling cool. Into this evening, for a time before midnight, more showers will be feeding in and some of these will be heavy. Low cloud, mistiness initially, but skies clearing through the early hours of tomorrow morning, and temperatures tonight falling away to just above freezing in most spots. So quite a cold start to the day tomorrow. Thursday is shaping up to be a fine day here in the northwest. After a chilly start, blue skies, lots of lovely sunshine. Just wrap up warm if you're heading out and about. We've got a cold northwesterly breeze through tomorrow, and that's going to lend a very chilly feel to proceedings. 8 or 9 degrees on paper, a frost to come tomorrow night, and looking towards the end of the week, high pressure dominates, so it's dry and feeling less cold. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. A very good afternoon to you. After a bit of a damp start this morning, skies have really brightened over the last few hours, but we have now seen quite a few showers cropping up. And through the rest of this afternoon, 1 or 2 heavy blustery showers, perhaps containing hail and some sleet on the tops of the Lakeland Fells and the Pennines before this evening. 6 or 7 Celsius will feel chilly today, and for a time before midnight, lots of showers will feed through across the northwest of England and the Isle of Man. The early hours of tomorrow morning showing some clearance and perhaps a few icy stretches, with temperatures hovering at around 1 or 2 degrees in rural spots. Mostly dry conditions before tomorrow morning and winds swinging round to a northwesterly. Thursday should be a nice day, generally dry. A cold start. Through the afternoon there's the small risk of a shower for parts of Cumbria, but for most places dry and fine. A northwesterly breeze, but if you're out of the wind, 9 Celsius shouldn't feel too chilly tomorrow afternoon. Bye-bye. And our weather's settling down towards the end of this week with a return to frosty nights. I'll have all the details later on in the weather forecast. And there's been some lovely sunshine around today, but also a few showers. It's settling down in general this week. I'll have all the details in the forecast in a few minutes. Thank you. A very good evening to you. Early rain this morning cleared to beautiful blue skies, but we've quickly seen quite a few showers feeding in this afternoon. With the cold air, there's even been a bit of hail and sleet in the mix on the tops of the Lakeland Fells and the Pennines. In general, from tomorrow for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man, drier conditions with a touch of frost to come over the next few nights. The weekend looks pretty cheery. There will be some showery rain during Saturday into the evening. However, plenty of dry weather for all of us over the next few days. High pressure establishing itself as we head through certainly the rest of tonight and into tomorrow. That's building in, allowing the next few days to offer up dry weather. Perhaps Saturday night will be some showery rain. Other than that, bright and fine and feeling pretty good as well. In the meantime, this evening, before midnight showers continue, the early hours of Thursday morning offer some clearance, breaks in the cloud and potentially 1 or 2 icy stretches as temperatures rurally dip down to around 1 or 2 degrees and there's some moisture on the roads. But for most of us, a dry start to the day tomorrow, winds swinging round to a northwesterly direction before dawn. On to tomorrow, the sun is up at 7:05 and sets at 5:44 tomorrow. On to the details then for tomorrow. It's likely to be fresh, cold and bright to start with for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man. A chilly breeze, but despite that, the blue skies and sunshine will be a nice compensation. And during the afternoon, mostly dry for all of us. Very small risk of a shower, perhaps for parts of Cumbria and Lancashire. Elsewhere, if you're out of the breeze, 9 Celsius won't feel too bad tomorrow, but we are expecting clear skies tomorrow night, and this will allow temperatures to drop away. A frosty night to come, and a lovely day on Friday to end the working week. Chilly nights ahead. Saturday a fine start with showery rain later, but that will clear through, and Sunday will be another decent day. Temperatures are on the up next week. Bye-bye for now. Hello again. The rest of this week should be fairly settled weather-wise. Some nice sunshine to look forward to. And of course, we're nearly into spring this weekend. Drier conditions with higher pressure building in from tomorrow. A touch of frost to come over the next few nights. But for the northwest of England and the Isle of Man, a decent end to the week with some sunshine at the weekend. We can see that high pressure building in as we head through the next couple of days. Saturday evening, a bit of a fly in the ointment. There could be some showery rain around, but for most places, the weekend looks dry and settled. Back to this evening's details. Showers are petering out to be replaced by clearing skies and potentially a few icy stretches where we've seen those showers and temperatures really dip down to 1 or 2 degrees. Towns and cities should stay at around 3 or 4 overnight tonight, but for all of us, a fresh feel to things as we start Thursday. The sun will be up tomorrow at 7:05, setting at 5:44. For most of us, a cold, bright start to the day tomorrow and dry as well. Winds are northwesterly, so of course it's chilly, but if you're out of the breeze, 9 Celsius won't feel too bad tomorrow. And there could be a shower perhaps for parts of Cumbria and Lancashire, but for most of us, a dry day to come. Under clear skies tomorrow night, it'll be frosty once more. Friday, a decent end to the working week, dry with some good sunny spells. Saturday's nice, but there'll be some showery rain later. Sunday should be dry, and next week, temperatures are on the up. Bye-bye. Hello, a very good morning to you. A chilly start across the northwest, but plenty of fine, dry weather, blue skies and sunshine today. There could be perhaps the odd shower for Cumbria and Lancashire, but for the most part it's dry. And out of that breeze, 9 Celsius shouldn't feel too bad, but expect a frost overnight tonight. Bye-bye.